Welcome to the lecture series of digital image processing. Today we are starting with the new lecture series of digital image processing. Here I am Dr. Richa Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Punjab University, Patiala. Today we are starting with the topic Introduction to the Digital Image Processing. Signal processing is a discipline in electrical engineering and in mathematics that deals with analysis and processing of analog and digital signals and deals with sorting, filtering and other operations on signal. These signals include transmission signals, sound or voice signals, image signals and many other signals. Out of all these signals, the field that deals with the type of signals for which the input is an image and the output is also an image is done in image processing. As its name suggests, it deals with the processing of images. Analog versus digital image processing. Analog image processing is done on analog signals. It includes processing of two-dimensional analog signals. In this type of processing, the images are manipulated by electrical means by varying the electrical signal. The common example includes the television images. Image processing has dominant over analog image processing with the passage of time due to its wide range of applications. Digital image processing deals with developing a digital system that performs operation on a digital image. What is an image? How we can say that means what's the definition of digital image? An image is nothing more than a two-dimensional signal. It is defined by the mathematical function f of xy, where x and y are the two coordinates, horizontal and vertical. The value of f of xy at any point gives the pixel value at that point of an image. Pixel means the picture element. For example, we are having this box. Every box is forming the pixel. Every box is having some particular value. If we are talking about the black and white image, then it is having only 2, 0 and 1. So if I am writing here 1 or 0, it means f of xy is either 0 or 1 for a black and white image. Image processing is a way to convert an image to a digital aspect and perform certain functions on it. In order to get an enhanced image or extract other useful information from it, it is a type of signal time when the input is an image such as video frame or image and output can be an image or features associated with that image. It is one of the fastest growing technologies these days with its use in various business factors. Graphic design forms the core of the research space within the engineering and computer science industry as well. This is the example of enhanced image. For example, we are having an original image. This is the noisy image. When the processing is done on this image, we are getting the filtered image. So this is called the image enhancement. How we improve the quality of the image by using some image enhancement techniques. Image processing mainly involves the 3 steps. Importing an image with image detection tool. First of all, we have to import the image by using some hardware, for example the camera, which shoots the image and that is to be captured and is converted into the digital signal. Exploring and manipulating the image. When the image is converted into the digital form, then we can manipulate that image. An output where it can be improved or reported that is built on image analysis. After manipulating, we can do the image analysis. The data we collect or process is mainly immature data, which means that it should not be used in applications directly for many possible reasons. Therefore, we need to analyze it first, do the necessary processings in advance, and then apply it. How a digital image is formed. Since capturing an image from a camera is a physical process, the sunlight is used as a source of energy. A sensor array is used for the acquisition of the image. So, when the sunlight falls upon the object, the amount of light reflected by the object is sensed by the sensor, and a continuous voltage signal is generated by the amount of sensed data. In order to create a digital image, we need to convert this data into a digital form. This involves sampling and quantization. These two are discussed later in the lecture series. The result of sampling and quantization results in a two-dimensional array or matrix of numbers which are nothing but a digital image. This is the process how the digital image is formed. First we are having the camera, then the sensor, then object, then sunlight falls on the object. This is converted into the continuous analog signal. Then by the use of sampling and quantization, we are getting this type of digital signal which is to be processed further. This is another image in which illumination source, that is the sunlight, is shown. Then sensed object, the object whose light is to be formed, then imaging system, then this image is formed, and this is the analog. Then after that it is converted into digital form by the sampling and quantization. Why image processing is so important in any computer vision application? Image improvement for human perception, because it gives the improvements for human perception. To improve subjective image quality. Image improvement for machine perception. To simplify the subsequent image analysis and recognition. Then image transformation for technical purpose. For example, change of image resolution and aspect ratio for display on mobile devices. Pure entertainment for means visual effects. Goal to get the artistic impression from the cool visual effect. So these are the importances why we are using the image processing in computer vision applications. Thank you so much. I will soon come up with the next lecture. Thank you.